Today we will define what it means for data to be either continuous or discrete, and we will offer some examples of each. We say that a set of data is continuous if the values belonging to the set can take any value within a finite or infinite interval. While on the other hand, a set of data is considered discrete if the values of the set are distinct and separate, or in other words, the data can only take certain values. Another way to think about this is to consider that continuous data is data that can be measured, while discrete data is data that can be counted. These concepts make a little more sense when we consider some examples. Consider the height of a sunflower grown from a seed that is supposed to reach 6 feet or 70 inches tall. We can measure how tall the sunflower is, and we say that the height is anywhere from 0 to 70 inches. We know that the height, therefore, can take any value on the interval from 0 to 70. Now let's say you're playing dice. With one roll, you will have either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And unlike continuous data, discrete data cannot be on an interval, which makes sense because you can't roll 2.5. In this case, we have 6 distinct values for our 6 different outcomes. Let's take a look at a couple more examples for continuous and discrete data. Like we mentioned earlier, continuous data can be measured, like the height of a child, or the length of a leaf, or the speed of a train. These measurable things can all fall on a continuous interval. Some examples of discrete data include the number of languages that somebody speaks, the numbers of books on a bookshelf, or the number of people in a family, all of which can be counted. With this lesson, you should now have a better understanding of discrete and continuous data sets and examples of each.